Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D soda can. So I just traced a soda into these three shapes. You're going to want to divide it though. Then we're going to make this one at the very top, so arrange it to bring to front, and this one send to back. Select your soda can, go to Effect, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, and select Revolve. Then you are going to make sure this is in symbols. I forgot to tell you, you'll need to bring your logo or whatever into symbols like I did. Then you're going to go back here. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Go to Revolve and then map art here. Select the surface like this one, and then you're going to select that symbol and you're just going to adjust it to your soda can. I can't really see it, but let's go and place it here a little bit. And then I'm just going to place it like here. Oh, okay. Well, you're just going to place it there and then press OK and press OK again. I don't have enough space, so I can't really show you the rest, I think. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, actually, I can show it to you guys. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.